All right, we have Sugarbush, this big bushy guy here. Very nice, attractive bush, especially to find in the desert because it's got these big green leaves, little flowers there. The flower buds are red and the flowers are white. It has these thick, leathery leaves. It's a nice plant. Let me back up here so you can get a better view of it. So this is in the cashew family. There's a lot of Rhuses in California. There's Rhus integrifolia, which is the coastal one. This happens to be Rhus ovata. It's called Sugarbush because it does produce little berries that are kind of sugary. And also there's a lot of nectar in the flowers. It's a large evergreen shrub growing about 15 to 20 feet, probably not 20 feet, more like 12 to 15 feet high and wide. In this canyon, a little further up on a cliff, there was a pretty good sized one. But when they're growing out in the open like this, they're a little shorter. And again, they tend to be riparian. You can see some growing high up on the ridge lines. And there's one behind me growing on a rock pile. So Sugarbush, again, has edible berries. Flowers are very attractive to bees. It is not poisonous. A lot of plants in the cashew family are poisonous, but this one is not one of them. Really good plant, stands out, so would be really good hedge for the desert. For screening, a good replacement for an oleander or a photinia. This would be way better than those plants. It's native, non-invasive, very, very drought tolerant, full sun. Lots of wildlife benefits, not only for the berries, the flowers, and for the habitat, but it also provides, like I said, nectar for the bees. And out here in this, like in a wash environment, being very dense and evergreen like this, it's a very good source of shade out here. Good plant. Again, this is the honeybush. Rhus ovata.